This is SMM Bot, a Telegram assistant for social media managers and small business owners. It helps manage clients, save post ideas, write content, and view previously generated content plans. To create a new plan, the user sends one short brief describing the product, target audience, promotion goal, and preferred tone. The bot sends this brief to GPT-5.6 through the OpenAI Responses API. GPT-5.6 returns a practical 7-day Telegram strategy. Every day contains a goal, topic, content format, key message, and call to action. The plan follows a marketing journey: introduction and value first, trust and objections in the middle, and conversion at the end. The completed result is formatted for Telegram and saved locally. Users can later view, search, edit, or delete their plans. If a saved plan is longer than Telegram's message limit, the bot safely splits it into several messages. If the API fails or returns invalid data, the damaged result is not saved. The project is built in Python with aiogram. During build week, I used Codex to inspect the existing codebase and add the AI workflow directly to the content plan handler, without rebuilding or disrupting the rest of the working bot. The integration uses GPT-5.6 through the Responses API, with low reasoning effort for focused and cost-efficient generation. A Russian developer instruction defines the content strategy, while Pydantic structured outputs enforce exactly 7 days and require every goal, topic, format, key message, and call to action. Codex also added error handling, offline tests, and the Telegram message length fix, turning the existing prototype into a reliable and tested AI feature.